Today, let's learn about handmade origami, cute cicadas. Prepare a square piece of paper first. Fold the two corners in half along the middle again. Fold one corner in half towards the center. Fold the other corner in the same way to obtain a small square. Then fold one of the small triangles downwards, taking care not to fold in half according to the center line, but to slightly extend outwards. The other corner is also folded in the same way to obtain the shape shown in the figure. Fold the corners on one side of the top down and cover the small triangle below. Fold the remaining corner down in half. Do not align. Stagger the position, and have a sense of hierarchy. Flip it over to obtain the shape shown in the figure. Fold both sides in half, as shown in the figure. After unfolding the figure, a clear crease is pressed out in the center. Fold one of its corners towards the center line again. Fold the remaining corner towards the center line as well. Then turn the origami upside down, and the general shape of the cicadas will come out. Finally, you can draw the eyes for the cicadas, or you can prepare black paper. Cut out the shape of the eyes, and then stick them on. After the eyes are done, they still feel incomplete because there is still a lack of cicadas. Let's improve it now. Cut out a small dot and a curved strip with black paper, and then glue them onto the top of the cicadas. Using the same method to make another beard, the cute cicada appears in front of you.